Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I was able to pay off $88.92 worth of debt just by couponing at CVS using only my phone and digital coupons. So if you are wanting to pay off your debt, definitely keep watching this video. I'm gonna break down step by step 3 transactions you can do to grab about $100 worth of products for $30 out of pocket. We're gonna be using digital coupons and rolling our rewards. Then I'm gonna show you, my glasses are crooked, what in God's name? Anyway, then I'm going to show you my receipts at the end as well. I'll show you exactly what I did step by step. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Bree. I help you pay off your debt and grow your emergency fund with the money you save using simple digital coupons. So if you're on a debt payoff journey like myself and you want to be debt free without having to follow a super strict budget, without having to cook at home 24/7 and say no to going out to eat, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description box is going to be the referral codes to a couple of rebate apps that we're using today. We're going to be earning some cash back from Ibotta. There's also a deal on Fetch Rewards. Both of those apps are super easy to use, and I use them pretty much every single week. Also, there's going to be the link if you want the printable breakdowns for all of this week's deals. I'll link it above here as well where it says get breakdowns here. That's going to give you all of the printable breakdowns for CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Dollar General, and Publix. That way it covers grabbing all of the different types of products that you guys actually use. So let's head inside and take advantage of some amazing deals at CVS this week, including a freebie. First, we're gonna do a couple deals on groceries, but I did notice these Mott's are on sale at Gushers as well for just $1.99. I scanned them on the Walmart app. They're $3.36 at Walmart. My son and I both love gummies, so I'm definitely gonna grab some because that's a really great price, and you don't need any digital coupons. Next, we have the absolute best stock up price on General Mills cereal. So select varieties are on sale for $1.99. They have the Reese's Puffs included, Lucky Charms, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What you're gonna do is pick any 2, it doesn't matter. This is the one that I scanned, for example, because I do love a good Cocoa Puff. In the CVS app, we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $2.98 out of pocket. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta, which is a cashback app. If you're new to Ibotta, my link is below in the description so you can get a bonus when you get signed up. You're gonna get $1 back when you buy 2. We're also gonna take that same receipt, snap a photo on Fetch Rewards. You're gonna get back 85 cents when you buy 2. Now your bonus on Fetch might be a little different, so definitely double check. That's gonna make your final cost 57 cents for a box of cereal. That's an amazing deal, so definitely grab it if you need it. Next deal we're grabbing is going to be on the Axe body wash. They're regularly priced, but they're buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. We're going to grab 2. In the CVS app, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $6.98, earn back a $4 extra buck, makes it $2.98 for 2 of them, or $1.49 a piece. Another amazing stock up price. Then we're grabbing our free oral care deal this week. It's on Crest, so we're gonna grab 3 of these. They're $3.99 each on sale. Buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. In the CVS app, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $6.97, get back a $5 extra buck. Then this specific one does work for the Ibotta rebate for $2 cash back. The limit on that is 1. That's gonna make all 3 of them completely free. We rarely get good deals on Listerine, and this week there's definitely an amazing deal, so I'm going to stock up on this large one here. It's $8.99 on sale. Buy 1, get a $4 extra buck, plus we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $6.99 out of pocket, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it $2.99. I can't remember the last time it was that cheap, so definitely grab it. And then we're grabbing some makeup wipes. These are the ones I personally use, and I'm down to my last pack, so I'm definitely gonna grab them. They're regular priced at $7.29, but they're buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. These are for the 25 count. Grab 2 of them. In the CVS app, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave me to pay $10.58, earn back a $6 extra buck, makes my net cost $4.58 for 2 of them, or $2.29 per pack. For me, that's a great price. Again, it's a product I need, so you always wanna make sure you're doing deals on products you actually need and use. So we're gonna add this to the cart. This is everything I'm gonna grab in my first transaction. Now, before I go shopping at CVS, what I always do is I open my CVS app and I check to see how many extra bucks I earned from last week's deals, so I can use that in my first transaction to lower my out-of-pocket cost. The less money you spend out of pocket, the more money you have in your checking account that you can then use as a payment towards your debt. So total for all of these products is gonna be is $51.50 if you were to come and just pay full price. But after all the digital coupons come off, I would pay $34.52. I have $16.18 in extra bucks from last week, so I'm gonna use that at checkout. Now I'm only paying $18.34 out of pocket, plus I'm gonna get $1 cash back from Ibotta and $2 cash back from Ibotta on the Crest. That makes my cash cost $15.34 plus taxes for all of these products. Then I'm earning back all of the extra bucks, which will be about $19 in extra bucks, which we're gonna use now in our second transaction. So let's go do some more deals. Next deal we're grabbing is on sunscreen because we definitely have been using so many, especially when we went to Costa Rica. I think we went through like 3 bottles of sunscreen. So we're gonna grab the Banana Boat and what else is included? Hawaiian Tropic. These are regularly priced, but when you spend $20, you'll earn back a $10 extra buck. So what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of the Banana Boat. I'm gonna get this sensitive for my son. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon as well. So definitely clip that in the CVS app. If you grab 2 that are like this price, that'll be $24.98 minus the $4 coupon. You'll pay $20.98, earn back a $10 extra buck, makes your net cost $10.98 for 2 of them, or $5.49 each. We're also going to do the Garnier Whole Blends deal. So these are on sale 2 for $10. Buy 2, earn back a $3 extra buck. In the CVS app, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $7, earn back a $3 extra buck, makes it $4 for 2 of them, or $2 per bottle. Not a bad stock up price. We are going to be rolling our extra bucks from transaction 1 though to lower our out-of-pocket cost. This is going to be my second transaction. I'm doing the Banana Boat and the Garnier Whole Blends. So total for these products is $33.58. Then after all the coupons come off, I'll be at $26.58. I'm going to then use the $19 in extra bucks I earned from doing my first transaction. So I'm going to give that to the cashier. Now I'm only paying $7.58 plus taxes out of pocket for these 4 products. Plus, I'm still gonna earn back a $10 extra buck and a $3 extra buck that we're gonna use on our third and final transaction. We are stocking up on diapers. Now there's a couple different ways you can do this deal, so I'm gonna show you 2 different options. First thing you can do is grab the Pampers Splashers. Now these are buy 1, get 1 40% off, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. You're gonna grab 2 of them, that'll bring you to about $20.78. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app. You'll pay $17.78, earn back a $5 extra buck, makes your final cost $12.78 for 2 of them, or $6.39 a piece, which is a great deal for Pampers. The next option you can do is the way I'm gonna grab it. Gonna be on the Pampers Swaddlers. You could grab Cruisers, you could do Baby Dry, it doesn't matter. Now, all of these are part of the same promotion and the limit is 1. So you have to pick one way to do it, unfortunately. I wish they would let us do it multiple ways. Anyway, I'm gonna grab 2 of the Swaddlers here. Total for 2 of these is going to be $23.98. There's a separate 3 off 2 digital coupon, so I'll pay $20.98, get back the $5 extra buck, makes it $15.98 for 2 of them. Not a bad deal, about $7.99 a piece, so pretty much $4 cheaper than grabbing it at Walmart. Walmart, these are $10.97 a piece, so definitely stocking up at CVS. Real quick, I want to show you an example of a deal that is not a good deal at CVS this week, so that we have an understanding of what's a good deal and what's not. I always compare to Walmart prices. So Aveeno right now, Aveeno Kids and Baby, is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, but they're not on sale. They're $11.89. So you would grab 2 of them. We have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. So you would pay $21.38 out of pocket for 2 of them. Then you're going to earn back a $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost about $8.38 a piece. Now, this exact product at Walmart, $8.98, but there's also a $2 Walmart cash offer, makes it $6.98 at Walmart or $8.38 at CVS. So this would be an example of a product that is not a good deal and not going to help you be able to pay off your debt. The last transaction I'm doing is going to be on the Pampers. So these are going to be $23.98 for 2 of them, minus the $3 coupon, plus we have $13 in extra bucks from our second transaction. So that'll take $16 off of our total. I'm gonna pay just $7.98 plus taxes out of pocket, get back the $5 extra buck still, and I'm gonna save that to use on a couple other deals. So that is how you can use digital coupons, stack your deals, and roll your rewards to save your real money and lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then the money you save, I'm immediately gonna take and transfer towards my student loan so I can pay off my debt. So I'll show you all the calculations in just a minute. There's a bunch more deals this week at CVS, so let me show you a couple more. These clearance tags just caught my eye. I've never personally used the Live Better diapers. They're a CVS brand, but they're 75% off. You can get diapers for $2.62. They have quite a few sizes still available. They have 6, 5, what size? 6, 7. All of these are on clearance, and there's quite a few left. I don't know. I might try one. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried it. Do you like it? What is it comparable to? Just let us know. We have a decent deal on the all detergent. So this week they're on sale for $5.29. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. What I would do is grab 2 of them. There's no digital coupons or anything, so you will be paying the $10.58 out of pocket. You can always pay with extra bucks though to lower your cost. You'll earn back a $3 extra buck, and you can submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back. The limit is 1. That'll make your final cost $3.29 a piece. At Walmart, these sell for $4.47 a piece, so still a better deal than going to Walmart and paying full price. The pods are also included, so you can mix and match. Another hair care deal you guys can do this week is on the Garnier Fructis. So this is a separate deal for buy 2 Garnier Fructis. You're gonna get back a $3 extra buck. These are on sale for $4.49. What I love is the leave-in conditioner is included as well. Grab whatever 2 products you need with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 brings you to $8.98. After the $3 coupon, you'll pay $5.98, earn back that $3 extra buck, makes your final cost $2.98 for 2 of them, or $1.49 a piece. We also have a great deal on Aussie if you like this brand. So these are buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and they're regular priced. You're gonna grab 3 of them though. So this is the cheapest product that you can grab. If you grab 3, you'll be at $16.47 because we have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon. So you're gonna pay $10.47, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it $6.47 for 3 of them, or $2.15 a piece. All right, we are back in from CVS. I had one snag at checkout. One of the gift cards I was using from Fetch Rewards, I didn't know how much was left on it. There was only like $2.23 left on it. And I don't think their system allows you to use 2. I am over these glasses and how crooked they are. Like, what is happening? It doesn't allow you somehow, or maybe they just don't know how to do it, use multiple scan gift cards because it's a digital gift card. It's not like a physical one. So therefore, my second transaction, I did have to pay about $11 out of pocket when it should have been 0 is what I was expecting it to be. So my out of pocket today is about $5.95 higher than I was anticipating. But we still saved over $88. I'm gonna show you guys my receipts, my transactions, so you know this is true, you know this is real. Like, I'm not just bluffing or pulling these numbers out of a hat. Like, this is actually what I did today. You can do these exact same deals, just linked in the description. Grab the list of printable deals. It'll tell you exactly what to buy, prices, how much you'll pay out of pocket, how to use your reward, literally step by step, exactly what to do, and you can use your money that you save, pay off your debt, or grow your emergency fund. So my first transaction, I wound up putting back the cereal. I didn't buy that. It was an amazing deal, don't get me wrong, but we have like 7 boxes of cereal at the house. We're never gonna eat it all, so it would wind up going to waste. So though it was a really good deal, it wasn't a good deal for me personally right now, because the 57 cents it would have cost me per bag is 57 cents each that I would have thrown down the trash in essence, because it would have expired before we could eat it. So keep that in mind. Here's everything I grabbed in the first transaction. Here's all the digital coupons coming off, the extra bucks I rolled, paid $16.77 out of pocket. Then I submitted over to Ibotta, got $2.05 cash back. I also got all of my extra bucks back for doing these deals, which I then used in my second transaction. This one I did throw on. I grabbed one of the CVS diapers. I'm excited to try it and see how it is. It was $2.62. Like, what do you have to lose? Rolled all my extra bucks. then I used part of the gift card and I did pay $11.15 out of pocket on this one. Then I earned back my extra bucks again. And my third and final transaction, I did my Pampers and those Mott's gummies, which I'm gonna try not to eat all of them before my son can even have any, because me and gummies, oh my God, I love gummies so much. That is the way to my heart, is with gummies. Is this, come on, focus, there we go. Okay, so use the extra buck that I just earned. $3 coupon came off of the Pampers, would have paid $9.97, had a gift card. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket on this one. So then what we're gonna do when we get home is we are going to enter in this information in our digital budget spreadsheet. It's super easy to use, but you've gotta make sure that you're tracking how much you're spending. Otherwise, you have no idea how much you actually saved, and that is what becomes your debt payoff fund. So for me, I saved $88.92. So what I did is I opened up my phone, logged into my student loans, because that's the one form of debt that I've left that I'm working to pay off, and I immediately made an additional payment for the $88.92 that I just saved by grabbing my family essentials at CVS using digital coupons instead of just going to Walmart and paying full price for all of those products. So now that $88.92 I still had in my checking account that I didn't give to Walmart. So that is how I'm using digital coupons to pay off my debt. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. We're gonna head home and I'm gonna show you exactly how I enter everything into my budget spreadsheet. If you want my spreadsheet, you can snag it below or buy some from someone else, create your own, whatever you wanna do, just make sure you're tracking your spending. So let's go do that together. Okay, we just got home. I have my digital budget spreadsheet opened. If you want to grab mine, I'll link it above where it says get spreadsheet here, or it'll be in the description. So we are on the July tab. We've scrolled over a little bit to the coupon trip section. We are going to put in the date. So today is the 22nd. In the drop down, pick the store. Sale price is going to be adding up the sale prices of all the products in your first transaction. So we do one line per transaction. I did 3 transactions, so I'll be doing 3 lines on the spreadsheet today. So sale price was $47.52. Oh, that ain't it. $47.52. Paid out of pocket on my first one was $16.77, and then I earned $2.05 cash back. My next transaction was $37.34 worth of products. Paid out of pocket was $11.15, and I did not get any cash back. And my final transaction was the diapers and the Mott's gummies. So that was $25.97. Didn't pay anything out of pocket because I used a gift card, and then cash back, I did not earn any back. So in total, I've saved now $308.69 for the month so far, and we're almost about 3/4 of the way done through the month. Last week I was in Costa Rica, so I didn't really do much couponing, and I didn't need anything. So now what I do is open up the app of your debt, right? Your credit card, your car loan, whatever you're wanting to pay off. Take the money that you just saved. For me, it was $88.92, and put it towards your debt. So that's how we're paying off our debt using digital coupons. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.